You are that girl. You wake up every morning, you get up. I don't care if you bald head. I don't care if you ain't got a drop of hair on your head. Cutie Q's doing today? I miss you so much. Today, honey, I just gotta let y'all know I have been so inspired by the queens lately, and I decided to do this look. This video is dedicated to all the drag queens out there. This is dedicated to one of my friends. His name is Troy, and he is a drag queen. I absolutely positively love drag queens. I think they are fierce, they are flawless. They just, oh my goodness. I mean, some people wouldn't agree with me, but they're amazing. If you guys ever been to a drag show, they know how to put on a show. They're amazing. They are the queens of shade and reading, honey. And I just love them. Like I said, this look was inspired by them. So today, you guys, I'm excited. We are having Popeyes fried chicken. I have not had Popeyes fried chicken in a really long time, and I'm so excited. I'm so hungry. It smells so good. I think some of them are spicy and some of them are plain. But of course, Popeyes chicken tastes really, really delicious with the combination honey and hot sauce. If you guys have not tried it, you're living under a rock, and I need you guys to get yourself together and get it together quick. I hope you guys are feeling the eyes. This is the wig from 31 Days of Halloween when we did Ursula. This is the Ursula wig. I really love this wig. I made it a little bit better. I tried to cut the hair and kind of like glue it like at the front because it was just giving me like a harsh, it was just really harsh at the front, so I tried to do something with that. I still have my other hair on under this because this look was kind of like, it just came out of nowhere. Oh my goodness, I'm so ready to dig in. Now let the congregation come on in. Congregation, come on. Let the church come on in. Grab yourself something to eat and have a seat and join me in eating this chicken because I think you're really gonna like it, and I know I'm gonna like it. I gotta make sure everything is ready. I ain't got time to be fiddling with the top. I need to make sure that top is off. Ooh. Oh my gosh, you guys, when that honey drizzles, baby. Oh. Mmm. Mm. Mm. Mm, 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 mm. Mm, 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 mm. So you guys, nails, hair, hips, heels. Mm. Mm. Oh my God. So good. I had a drag queen on my show before. Miss Troy, who is a friend from work. We used to work together. And I went to one of his shows, one of his drag shows. And you guys, it was so much fun. Drag queens are so much fun. Mm. Mm. Listen, you said I'm going through something. Mm. And need a good laugh, need a good time, I would definitely recommend going to a drag show. And it's so fun. So much positive energy. So much positive energy. It was amazing. Mm. You guys should know by now that thighs are my favorite. And you can just bite right into a thigh. That's what I love about thighs. Excuse me. Ooh. Have you ever been to a drag show, or do you know anybody that does drag? I just love being around that positive energy. You guys, I have to smack with this. It is so good. I told you I was going to go through that hot sauce. You guys, I have really been in a creative space lately. Like, I am so happy. I'm so happy when I'm creating something. When I'm being creative, when I'm using art. And it just helps. Like, it just really, like, when you put yourself in a space of, you know, whether it be journaling, whether it be painting, whether it be whether it be playing an instrument, just doing something that makes you you guys, this is so good. Mm. Honey, the queens of throwing shade and reading, okay? Honey, that's where throwing shade came from, the queens. That is an art, I'm telling you. You know, that chicken is so crispy. So crispy. I think I can do one more piece. And when that honey melts, so good. But yes, you guys, I put glitter under here. My eyes. Oh my God, one day I'm gonna tell you guys the story time of my transgender aunt back in the 90s, you guys. Can you imagine? I mean, some of you might know, but being transgender in the 90s, it was not easy. And that's one of the reasons why I really have a love for drag queens and the shows and the hair and the makeup and the this and the that, because I had an aunt who did all that stuff. makeup, hair, drag shows, all this type of stuff. And I just love it. I respect the craft. I respect the art, everything about it. Because it really is an art form. And in my opinion, it really is something special. So shout out to you. Shout out to you if you do any drag work. If you do any shows. Oh. I'm not exaggerating. It's a spicy piece. Oh my goodness, you guys, absolutely, positively delicious. Delicious, delicious, delicious. Excuse me. That was so good, you guys. Thank you so much for watching today's video. And always remember, honey, you're that girl, okay? You're that girl. You're that girl. You are that girl, and don't let anyone tell you otherwise. Don't let anyone tell you what you are and what you're not. You are that girl. You wake up every morning, you get up. I don't care if you bald head. I don't care if you ain't got a drop of hair on your head. You get up every single day, look yourself in the mirror, and tell yourself that you're that girl, okay? You are that girl. Honey, they don't know who they talking to. They don't know who they talking about. Yes, you are. Yes, you are that girl. Now let the church say amen. You're that girl. Now let the church say amen. Child, I tell you. Child, I tried to tell these girls that you was the girl. You're that girl. Oh, yes, you are that girl. I don't know what they thought. All right, let me give y'all a little bit of face before I go, so y'all can get into this face. Yes, baby, get into this face. Get into this look. Get into this look. Get into this face. Get into it. Oh, baby, get into it. Yes, baby, yes. Yes, 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 yes. You get up every single day and you tell yourself that you're that girl. You are that girl. You are that girl. You are that girl. Not that girl, but that girl. Okay? You are that girl. All right, y'all have a good night. I will see you guys tomorrow for another video. Thank you so much for watching today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I really enjoyed creating this look for you guys today. Shout out to you if you are a queen. Shout out to you if you're a drag queen. Whatever type of queen you call yourself, shout out to you. I love you guys so much, and I will see you guys tomorrow for another video. Bye.